if there are children in the background, we're going to have to just suck it up today. Hey, Todd, so this is the blue part that I was talking about. Okay, so over here, let's take the storefront theme. The first thing you would want to do is make a new directory. If you're using good old school FileZilla, create a directory and enter it. So I'm going to call it WooCommerce. Click enter. Now, you see in there, I now have another folder completely called WooCommerce. So back up within WooCommerce itself, right? Hold on a second. All right, sorry about that. So back up within WooCommerce, all right? You've got content, plugins, then you go to WooCommerce, right? This is the version straight from GitHub, so it's going to have a couple more folders in here than yours will. What's up, girls?
I want to show.
I hate editing video, so I just pushed pause and I have no clue where I was. Sorry. All right, so back over in WooCommerce, you've got something like, let's say, right here. Let's say that you want to change your product thumbnails. So you got product thumbnails right here. Okay, so that's the file. So whatever you want to do within the product thumbnails itself, let's say that you're wanting to, I mean, I don't know, there's all kinds of things. You want to change the size that it's getting. You want to, do something, anything different. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to look at this path right here, this whole path, and you're going to say, okay, I want to take the product thumbnails, I want to edit that. Now, remember what we had over in the original, up in the original theme, we had, all we had done was make a WooCommerce folder. Okay, so let's run over somewhere else where we can find the correct folder. And here we have storefront. Okay, this is a good reference because this way we can see. Oops. Not what I wanted. Dooby-doo. There we go. All right. So we were under templates, and we were under single product, and then we went to product thumbnails. All right. So thank you, interwebs of the inner tube, because now we have something that's visually copyable. All right, and don't forget it's also right here as well. So we're going to go WooCommerce, a new folder called templates, a new folder called single product, and then we're going to put product thumbnails. Okay, template, single product. See if I don't forget it. Templates. Single product. Now we're going to, what are we doing? Product thumbnails dot php. Wow, there's a lot of girls in there. All right, so now if you look up here at this complete path, you'll have themes, the name of your theme, and then WooCommerce, templates, and then the name of the part, then the folder, then the name of the part that you're wanting to change within that, right there. Does that make sense? So you've got all these different, all kinds of different parts that make that up. You've got the meta, you've got the new photo swipe, you've got price, where Mike added some cool new stuff in there, product attributes, and you've got all kind of different pieces of the single product page. And that's where, you get really into, well, you know what, I'd like the I'd like the rating to do XYZ. Okay, fine, I want to display it differently. Fine, then print it however you want. And then you would take the rating.php and copy that over to right there. You would create a new file called ratings.php from within your theme, new folder called WooCommerce, new folder called template, new folder called single product, and then you would say ratings.php. Now, if you're an idiot like I am, the first thing you would want to do is copy the whole other one and put it in there and save that. So now you have the identical, and you can do the same thing with ratings as well. You can take the ratings, let's go copy this one. Okay, so you take the ratings, thank you, and we're going to go put this in here. Bloop. Drop that bad boy right there, save it back, send it on up into the server, and so now I've copied the identical ones, right? And then if, a client says, okay, I want the product thumbnails to look different. I want them to act different or do something different. Okay, so what do we want it to do? Well, then we can open up that particular part of the single product. The single product page is really just a, what's another word for a shit ton? There's kids in the other room. Oh, well, I just said it. So let's go over there. Either a kid's hurt or they're cracking up in laughter. I'm not sure which one it is. But anyways, the single product page is actually made up of a lot of different pieces. The title, there's the price, there's a variation, there's the quantity, and there is some meta. And you can see all of those. The heck, did I just take down the GitHub? I did. What an idiot. And you can see all those parts and pieces when you have those open there. And so as soon as you open this up, and as well as this, this right here, that's a good reference. You can open each one of those up and see within the templates folder and within the single product. Wow. You can see all the different pieces in here. If where'd it go? If this thing had a sale, whatever type of banner that you wanted to put up there. What is that? Sale flash? You could change that right there. If you wanted to change, let's say, the title, Real simple. You know, you can make it a H2. You can make it have a different class. You can do whatever you want. And so each one of these is a piece of the single product folder. That makes sense? So that part right there is echoing out the H1 product title entry title with that class. Oh, look, there it is right there. See what I'm saying? So if where the heck did it go? There it is. So if that part isn't working right, then somewhere in the process that I just illustrated, something is going wrong. Okay. Hope that helps. Hope you're having a great holiday season. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.